up guys, this is Usman here. In this video I'm going to unbox Oppo A52, plus we will also take a look on its few features. So let's jump into the video to unbox it. So here's the box which I am going to unbox. On the top of the box you can see there is a print of the device and the print of the model number, which is A52, Oppo A52, and here is the mention of 4GB 128GB of its storage. So it's a 4GB variant, and on the back we can see there are few features mentioned, like 1080p quad camera, 5000 mAh battery, which is pretty awesome, and the 18-watt fast charger. So let's now unbox. On the left and on the right side we can see there is just few logos. So let's unbox it. On the top of the box we can see there is like a few manuals here. Let's see, there is a SIM tool, okay, and the cover, silicone cover, it's very soft, and this is a good thing, Oppo provided this cover. There are manuals here, as we can see. Let's put it on side, the cover, the SIM tool, and now it's empty. So boom, here is the device. Let me take it out, and again there is a mention of few features here, 4GB quad camera, 5000 mAh battery, and I purchased it in the stream white color, so it's looking very beautiful color. So first of all, let's see what is furthermore in the box. This one, and here we can see it's a USB-C port. Let me open it up. Here you can see it's a it's providing fast charging. Here is the adapter, which is a little bit big in size than all the other power adapters that we get in with phones in Pakistan. Okay, so keep in mind this is 18-watt fast charger, so it providing the fast charging, which is 18-watt. I think very good. And this is the hands-free earbuds. Usually these are the I think it's a little bit more better than the ordinary earphones that we mostly get in the phones. Last time I unboxed A51 and the Huawei P30 Lite, and those were a little bit more in budget than this phone, but they provided just ordinary headphones in them. But this is a little bit like a looking good thing. Let's put it on side. So this is this is like huge adapter. Let's put it on the side again, and now everything, I think this is empty. So let's put it on side, and this is the device. Let me open it up. And let me turn it on. It's looking very beautiful device. Here you can see on the back, let me open it. On the back here you can see its color is like awesome. Very new unique thing than other old smartphones available in the market, and there are quad cameras on the back, as you can see. Okay, the logo here, and on the bottom there is headphone jack, charger port, speakers, microphone, and this is like turning on. And on the front there is a punch hole camera on the left side, which is like a new thing which is coming in all the smartphones. And the one more thing, the fingerprint sensor is not on the rear, not on the screen, but it's on the side. This is working for the fingerprint sensor and for the power button also. Let me boot it up. So it's almost ready. Here we can see it's color OS 7, latest version from the Oppo. Let's get started. And here you can see this is the home screen. And the most important thing that I saw, and which is very useful, that is it's a PPI, which is 407 PPI, which is pretty awesome. So these were all the things, box and the headphones and SIM tool and the cover and then the phone. So these were all the things in this box. So what do you say about its color? Let me know in the comment below. I will create its camera testing videos, performance videos, and also other bunch of videos. Like I will compare it with the Infinix Note 7. I will try to compare it with the Samsung Galaxy A30 and possibly if A31. So I will try to compare it with all the smartphones that come in the same budget, so you can get the idea which one is better for you. So let's talk about its more key features. There is plastic on the back, mean it's not too much durable. I saw the lines also when we put it under the light. There is quad camera on the back, SIM tray and the volume rockers on the left, and the power button plus the fingerprint sensor on the right. And if you talk about its display, it's LTPS IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, and its size is 6.5 inches, and it provides 1080 class 2400 pixels. And if you talk about its chipset, it's Snapdragon 665, which is 11 nanometer. In upcoming days, I will test PUBG and the Call of Duty and other big games on it to see its performance. And on the other hand, its RAM is 4 GB with 128 GB of the storage. And it's Android 10 with color OS 7.1. And last but not least, and that is battery. Oppo A52 providing us 5000 mAh huge battery, which is pretty awesome in its budget. On the other hand, it's also providing 18-watt fast charging, which is again a good thing in its budget. So I hope that this 5000 mAh battery is awesome for the PUBG players and all the other extreme users of the smartphones. Okay, for now that's all. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. If you really liked it, then make sure to thumbs up, and also let me know what you say about this device in the comment below. In upcoming days, I will create more videos on this device, so if you really want those videos, then make sure to subscribe my channel and watch my other videos. Until the next one, take care, bye bye.